In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram refresh feed problem easy and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the settings on your phone and then go down here to apps manager, and then all what you have to do is click on apps. And now all what you have to do is simple. Just wait a few seconds and it will take you to this page right here. As you can see right here, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is click on the search bar and search for Instagram like this. Instagram, click on it, and now after you click on it, it will take you to this page. All what you have to do here is simple. Just go here to storage and click on clear cache and then clear data, and after that go back and now go to the power usage details and make sure that this option here is enabled, and after that go back and click on force stop. And now all what you have to do is open Instagram, and I am sure that the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.